Hey guys, today I'm going to show you very interesting website. It's named Kahoot. Kahoot is basically the application where you can create the quiz with games, and student will enjoy this and they will learn. You can put the quizzes, you can put the assignments, and you can assess them through this. What you explain, they know, or they will play and they will learn. So, okay, in Google, I write Kahoot, and the first one we will click on it. Once you click on Kahoot, so this website will be open. It's free, and you can sign up for free. Once you click on it, it will ask you, are you a teacher, student, personal, or professional? So as I am a teacher, so I click on teacher. I am creating for the school. Now, how you want to connect? So I go with sign up with Google. Now it will check if you have many Google accounts, so from which account you want to open Kahoot. I will choose that account, suppose the first one. I click on it, and after that you will be able to create. Say from this account, now it's opening. So this will be first screen of Kahoot. Now you have to wait. I again click it because maybe there is a problem. I choose this account. It will not take too much time. It's depend on your internet speed, what speed you are using. So you can see this is the Kahoot screen, and you can see many of the tabs here. We will use it, but first we have to create new Kahoot. Okay, so I will click on create, top right. I just click on it. There is new Kahoot. This mark shows this is not free. Where you will see this mark, so that means this is not free. This template is free. Now I am going to create. So you can see there are the questions. You can type your question here in this um, square rectangle shape. You can import the images. If you have image in your computer, so you can upload, you can create the YouTube link, or there is image library. So from here also you can take help. Okay, but I close it. There are on the left side you see add questions and question bank. So you can add questions. Suppose you need 10 questions, you can add 10 questions. This is the time limit. From here you can choose the time. One question will take 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 90 seconds, or if you are giving some question they have to type, so maybe you can give 120 seconds. Okay, if you see down, so you can fix the point for every Kahoot. Okay, so on the tab on the left side you see question bank. From here there are the questions. Just you have to search. These questions are built in. Suppose I want to ask the questions about computer. I write computer, and it will give me the result. Suppose a computer backup. I add this question. What is a computer? I add this question. Okay, I go down. You can see there are one question. and 4 answer. And you see at the cross sign, red sign, this is the wrong answer and the correct answer is the green one. So it will be easy to check when you will see who is correct or who is, or the students will get the answer when they finish all the questions. I add this one more question, I add this one, then I close it. So now you can see here, this is the question, what computer part is, and there are 4 answers: processor, RAM, CPU, USB. Okay, you can there are already the pictures. From the add questions, you can add some more question if you have it and you have the picture. Suppose I add question, so you can click on the quiz, true or false, type answer. As I told you before, you can give extra time like 120 seconds in puzzles, poll, and slides from the PowerPoint. But you see, there is this sign, so that means this is not free. So I choose suppose quiz, and I write here suppose print is dash device, mouse, and computer can give me correct the physical components of the dash. I can add the picture also. Suppose here I like write hardware, or always I give the first answer right. So software, hold on, I write software, I write hardware, input, storage. Now I click done. It's again validating. Now I make all the questions. It will not take too much time. It will validate and then the quiz will be ready. This Kahoot can't play, all questions need to be complete before starting. Okay, some question it was before. Okay, from here, if I don't want this question, I can delete. You can see there are two things, duplicate and delete. So I click on delete and I delete this. Then again I click done. Because it check all the questions. If all the questions are correct and you make all the question, so it will validate. Otherwise it will say you have to check. Okay, so that's this Kahoot. You can check this, you can play now, or I click done. If you want to play there, if you want to check, so you can click on it. Now you can see there is your quiz. Now I click on play. There are two ways to play this Kahoot. You want to teach this or you want to assign. Suppose I click on assign. So from the assign, you can assign to your students. Suppose I click assign. Now challenge in progress. Okay. From which date it will be finished? Before Sunday or before Monday, they have to finish this quiz. And what will be the timing? Player should complete it before. Question timer, it will be on. Randomize answer if you want to randomize answer. Nickname generator if uh, you don't click off, so the students can write his name and then he will start. If you click on, so that's mean the name will generate automatically, like tiger, like any name, and that name will be student name. So I click on off, so student can write his name. I click create. So if you are using Teams, or you are using Google Classroom, or if you are using Zoom, so you can add this Kahoot there, and the students will see in their class, in virtual class. So now it is in processing. Here you can see on the top there are many of the tabs. In the reports you can see the report for the students. Okay, invite more peoples. What will you do if you want to add this Kahoot in your Teams? So you can copy this link, copy URL, then you go to your team, in your team or Google Classroom or Zoom. You can add this tab in your class. In the Teams, if you want to add, so once you go to your class, on the top you see plus sign. You will click on plus sign and there will be the web. So this link what you copied from here, you can paste there. And also there is you can see game pin. So the students will when they will open, so they will paste this pin, okay, and then they will able to connect. But this is if I am assigning. So if I don't want pin, so it's okay. If you don't want to give them pin, so also it works. So I go to team. Suppose this is my class. You see there is a plus sign. I click on it, and here you will find many of the options. So you have to click on website. You can write here, suppose compute and devices. Here you can paste that URL what I copied from there. Oh, I copy again the URL. This URL I copied from here and I paste it here. Okay, and save. So now you can see here on the top once they open their class, so this link will come computer and devices, and when they click on it, so the game will be open. You can see ready, get, set, Kahoot, and now they want to spin, and every student will find this game on his IT class on the top, like here. So you can see now a computer backup. So I have to choose. The marks will be, oh, wrong. So how much time I take for the answer, it will give the marks on them. Suppose I click next, suppose within 2 seconds, if somebody give the marks, so he will be on the top, and you can see from your computer, because you are like a server. So from your computer, you can see who's playing well, who's getting how much marks, who is on which rank. So now I click again next. Then question number 2, what is computer? Electronic device. Okay, I got 8 or 9, but maybe somebody give this answer before me, so he will be number 1, and it will come here, number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, so now let's go again in our original. So you can see here in the reports, there are the reports on the top you will find, and from here you can see who's playing well, who is good, and who is on which rank. So now I go to reports. So if you click on teach, because before there was two options, teach or assign. I click on assign. So if you click on teach, so you can teach them here on the virtual learning. Means like you give the questions one by one, or the students will give the answer. So I show you again now that also. Because this is very interesting, and students are playing and they are learning too. So you can apply on your subject, or with different subjects you can apply this. So as you can see, when I click on report, so all the reports, these all are the quizzes I created. So I created this quiz today and I click on it, so I can see my students who's playing good and who's going on the top. Everything it will show. See, there are summary, players and questions. So I click on player, and you can see he till now he got 17% rank 1 because he is the only one, and he got 809. So if you have 25 students, so all the students will come here and it will show who is on the top and who is down, and they can try again, and they will try to get good position. So here it will show if how many students has problem there, they are not getting. So suppose now I have only this one, so it's coming here. Didn't finish because I didn't finish, so the name is coming here also. Okay guys, so in the beginning I told you about um, the second way. The first way, like I assigned that this project or this quiz. But now I will show you how to create if you teach. So let's go again. I create the new one. So guys, again I am here. Before I took all the question from question bank here, now I add the questions here. Suppose I take only two question. Uh, Microsoft in. So now I click on add question and I am writing the question here. What is an example? Oh, sorry. Of dash. Suppose here I give only two answer. I say hardware or software. Okay, so I click on done now. Okay, the 20 seconds time I give 20 seconds, and marks I give this 100, 2000 point, or I 0. So I can choose the point. Okay, so here if you have multi question, multi answers, so you can select this multi select. So if you have one question and the two answers are correct, so you can choose this multi-select. Okay, I click on done, and okay, here what I didn't do it select at least one. So okay, the correct answer I didn't choose it, so this will be the correct answer. I click done. Now here I give answer title hardware. Here anything you can give the description. I click on continue. It's validating again. Now you can test or you can play. I click done. And now your quiz is ready. Okay, hardware. So I click on play. Now this time I don't click on assign, I click on teach. Okay, so once you click on teach, so you will see the difference. You can teach and you can give them the answer. Like here is classic or team versus team. There are two modes. Okay, so I can choose any of it. Means in the team mode there will be the teams, and in the player mode the players and device. So you can come down here, personalized learning, whatever you want to select. You want to select which music, randomize order of question, show, minimize into instruction. So you can select as per your requirement. So I click on classic. Now ready to join. This is I am giving from here. That one I assign that one and I copy the link and put it there in my Teams or Zoom or in Google Rooms. So here you can see this site, especially for the students. Students will open this site from there, and this is the pin you have to give to them. See, I copy this site from here and I will put it here. This is especially for the students. Now I come here, I copy this pin, because you have to give this pin to the students so they will be able to play. All the students will enter this pin, and they will able to play. Means you will ask the question and on the same time they will give you the answer. No need for all these things. Okay, so now click start, and now the question will be appear, and this is your Kahoot. Here you can see in the reports everyone will come here. So now you can see Genius Machine in here. It's loading. Here from the reports, you can see this. See, this is hardware, and you can see the report from here. So this guy, one is correct, and it will come in your report. So you can see from here one, and when you will open with your students, and many questions will come there, so you can see easily. Okay guys, so